Today is October 2nd. It is a very important day for our country. This day we celebrate birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. We also call him Bapu with great respect and affection. I'm sure you all would like to listen to the story of Gandhiji, whose birthday we are celebrating today across entire India and world. Long ago, a cute little baby was born in Porbandar town in Gujarat. Children, you know what's Gandhi's parents' name? His father is Karamchand Gandhi and mother is Putli Bai. They named him as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he was greatly influenced by honesty and strict discipline of his father and by simplicity and religious thoughts of his mother. He was married to Kasturi Bai and he had 4 sons. He went to England to study law and he became a lawyer. When he visited South Africa, he was ill-treated by the Britishers and he was thrown out of the first-class compartment of a train. So he decided to fight against this inhuman color discrimination by British, and he had won in that too. At the age of 45, Gandhiji began to fight for India's independence from the British using a new method called Satyagraha, protesting injustice in a non-violent way. Non-violence is a peaceful way or act to tell others what they are doing is wrong. This will create a friendly atmosphere and educate people to change themselves. Very soon, many people started to follow him and called him Bapu and Mahatma. Gandhi protested peacefully by not using British-made items, and he asked Indians not to use the Britishers' goods. So he started to weave his own cotton cloth. Finally, British understood that it would not be possible to rule India against Bapu. Our country got independence on August 15, 1947. It was first time in history of world and mankind that a huge victory was achieved by Satyagraha, by non-violence. Now let's pay a homage to the greatest leader by pledging to follow the value he lived. He always had a saying, "Be the change you want to see in the world." The first and foremost and the hardest value he gave was not to waste food or other items. Children, you will now see an interesting puppet show of all the values which Gandhiji taught us. Thank you.
Hello children, it's me, your Gandhi. People call me Mahatma Gandhi Ji. Today, I would like to share with you all some moral values and good habits which will help you all to shine. Children, self-help is the best help. So, try to do your work on your own. Fold your blankets, brush your teeth, Take bath on your own. Eat your food on your own. And do your schoolwork on your own. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So children, keep your room tidy and neat. Always wear clean and wash clothes. Eat after taking bath. And children, don't litter your environment. Always speak the truth. Children, if you commit any mistake, accept it and don't repeat it in the future. Children, be kind to all living beings and don't hurt others even by words. So children, be firm, kind, smart, honest, courageous, and rule the future India. Thank you, CBNs.
Are you all ready to take a trip with me to the Mahatma Gandhi Museum? Come on kids, let's go. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd of October in 1869 in Porbandar. He was a lawyer by profession. We also call him Bapu. His father was Karamchand Gandhi, his mother was Putlibai Gandhi, and his wife was Kasturba Gandhi. He had 4 children. This is the house of Gandhiji in Porbandar, where he spent his early life. This is the Sabarmati Ashram, which is one of the houses where Bapu lived. This is a Satyagraha house that was built for Gandhiji. It is said that Gandhiji had very few possessions like spectacles, pocket watch, sandals, a small bowl and plate. And interestingly, a statue of 3 monkeys which was famous in Japan. Mizaru, who sees no evil, Kikazaru, who hears no evil, and Iwazaru, who speaks no evil. The charkha, which is also known as the spinning wheel, is a symbol of our revolution. It symbolizes the power of self-reliance and determination. Now let's see a few statues of Mahatma Gandhi around the world. This is a statue of Mahatma Gandhi situated in Patna, which is the world's tallest bronze statue of Mahatma Gandhi. This statue of Bapu meditating is in Delhi. You all must have seen this statue at the Marina Beach in Chennai. This is the statue of Mahatma Gandhi and his wife Kasturba in Portugal. This is the statue of Gandhiji in London. I hope you have enjoyed your visit to the museum with me. Thank you.
Take a plain white paper, fold it in a horizontal way and cut it into 2 halves. Then again fold those papers from right to left and cut it into 2 halves. Take one piece of paper and start rolling it. Now apply a glue at the end of the rolled paper strip and paste it. The same procedure for another piece of paper. Now press it gently. Cut the extra part of the paper on both the ends of the paper strips. Now fold the paper into a circle shape, that is, join the one end of the paper by lying on another end. Repeat the same procedure for another paper strip. Take a third piece of paper and start rolling it. The same procedures as you did before. Apply the glue at the end of the rolled paper strip and paste it. Press it gently. Cut both the end of the paper strip. Now paste one end of the paper in one circle cut the paper strip if it is so long. And now apply the glue and paste another end of the paper strip on another circle. Now take two pieces of rectangular plain sheet and start rolling it. Apply the glue at the end of the rolled paper strip and paste it. The same procedure for another rectangular plain sheet. Press it gently. Cut the extra end on both the paper strips. Paste one end of the paper on the outer part of the circle by ending the tip of the paper inside the inner part of the circle. The same procedure for another strip and for another circle. Now bend the another end of the paper strips. Now you will get a spectacle like Mahatma Gandhiji's spectacle.